Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetShoes.com, and today we are here at the Mobile World Congress 2015 at the Arcos booth, which is a company which normally sells their phone in Europe and some other parts of the world, not in India, but they are coming to India, and that is why I'm reviewing this particular phone. This phone has very good hardware specification, which includes an octa-core CPU, which is having two quad-core CPU inside, 1.5 GHz and 1 GHz, 64-bit CPU they are. We have 5-inch of full high-definition display, a very good design. As you can see, you have a very nice color profile as well, which is looking very vibrant, and you have an IPS LCD display which does look pretty good and colorful and decent in terms of viewing angles. You have dual SIM connectivity on this phone as well. We have 4G connectivity as well, and we have 16 GB of internal memory on this one, which is also a very good thing. We have a 60 GPS Wi-Fi, FM and Bluetooth, and then you have NFC support as well. Bluetooth is 4.0, low energy, and then you have 16 megapixel rear camera at the back. And then when it comes to the front camera is 8 megapixel, and the front camera is fixed focus, whereas the rear camera is autofocus. We have Android 4.4.1 KitKat on this phone, which is good, and the overall build quality of the device is very good. The overall form factor of the device is very nice. You have a nice finish, matte finish back cover, which again will give you a very nice grip when you hold this device in hand. So there is everything good for this phone, I would say. And when it comes to the phone dialer, this is how it looks like. Again, it is running stock Android most probably, and again it is kind of simple in terms of the UI. The UI is fluid, there is no problem with the UI, and we can compose a new message. The messaging application is also kind of stock Android. You can do swipe to type, which is also good, and there is no problem with the keyboard. And when it comes to the internal configuration, let me just take a look over the settings. So once we go into settings, we will find out the version of Android first of all, which is over there. So it is running on Android KitKat 4.4.4, and when it comes to some other things, we do have touch capacitor buttons which are there within the body of the phone, and they do have battery LED, which is kind of light in terms of the intensity. And when it comes to the storage, let me just take a look over the storage now, which is this. Yeah, so out of 16 GB you get approximately 11.87 GB available to the user, which is good, and you do have support for SD card as well, and you can also install applications on the SD card. When it comes to some other options, you do have support for tethering options as well, so you can create a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. You have support for wireless display as well, which is good. Let's take a look over the camera performance of this particular device, and for that we will launch the camera application, which is kind of a default camera application on this one, and we will take a photo of the LG G2, which is over there. And let me just come out from this. Yeah, so we are going to take a photo from the LG G2 from the rear camera, and we are going to take the photo now from the front camera. Let me just toggle to the front camera. So it does detect your face as well, and this is how the front camera quality looks like. The front camera is doing a very good job, and again I can see the details as well as the colors which are being nicely produced, and the photo has came out to be good as well. This is the rear camera photo, which is also looking very good in terms of the clarity, in terms of details, in terms of color production. All in all, this phone looks like a very promising phone, and it will come to India in some months. We will keep you posted once it comes to India. Thanks for watching this video. In case you have any question for this device, we would love to help you. You can leave your questions in the comment section below. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.